Understanding Agile approach in integration management. As we know that integration management is one of the knowledge areas in project management and in PMP syllabus. There are actually 10 knowledge areas in PMP syllabus and project management. So let us first understand what actually is project integration management and how we carry out project integration activities in traditional model and in agile model. In traditional model, the project manager is responsible for each and every activity of the project. The project manager has to plan all the resources that are required for the project, and each of the constraint has to be taken care by project manager. That means the most of the authority lies with the project manager, and project manager is responsible for integration management, and this responsibility is not delegated to team. Coordination of all elements of a project. Project manager has to coordinate for all elements of the project since he is responsible for project management. Project integration is a way of making various processes work together. Managing the performance and changes of project activities. This also lies with project manager. Ensuring delivery dates of the product or service, project life cycle, and benefits management plan are aligned. The project manager has to ensure that the delivery dates are aligned and are as per the agreed timelines. Measuring and monitoring the project's progress. Project manager has to track the status of the project activities. Managing phase transitions when necessary. Project manager is responsible for managing phase transitions as well. Completing all the work of the project and closing the project. That means project manager has to ensure that all the activities of the project have been carried out successfully, and finally project manager has to close the project by archiving all the project related documents which would be useful for the future reference and archiving the acceptance sign off from the customer. Now, let us understand how we can implement Agile approach in project integration management and how this will help us reap greater benefits. In Agile projects, control of detailed product planning and delivery is delegated to the team. As we know, in Agile projects, the development is carried out in iterative fashion, and planning has to occur at the start of each of the iteration. So, entire team is involved in planning and delivery. That means the responsibility doesn't lie with project manager alone. It is delegated to team as well. Iterative and agile approaches promote engagement of team members. Team members feel more engaged in agile approach. So it brings the trust in team members and they find the development environment secure and reliable. The expectations of the project manager do not change in an adaptive environment. The project manager has to play the role of servant leader for the team. Project manager has to facilitate the team to perform in a better manner. Project manager has to equip the team with all the required resources so as to perform in a better manner. In Agile, Project manager's focus is on building collaborative environment. That means project manager has to ensure that the environment is collaborative in nature, which would help team members raise their voice and express without any fear, and they will be able to perform confidently and efficiently as a team member.